This video will describe how to use the spell checker tool in Read and Write for the Mac desktop. This tool is used to help a user determine the correct spelling in their writing. The spell checker tool is not found on any of the pre-assigned toolbars, but can be placed on the user-defined toolbar. Refer to the toolbar modes video to learn how to customize a user-defined toolbar. Check the spelling of the open document by clicking the spell checker icon. Read and Write will open a new dialog box in which any words that are incorrectly spelled are identified. The program will offer suggested words that may offer the correct spelling in order of relevance. When a recommended word is selected, the program will provide a definition of the word. At this point, there are 4 options available. Click Change to replace the original word with the selected word. If the word appears multiple times in the writing, it may be more efficient to click Change All, in which all instances of the word will be replaced. If the word does not appear in the dictionary, as is the case with Ranjani, the user may choose to add this to their custom dictionary. In this case, the word is unlikely to be used in the future, so it may be a better option to choose Ignore, which will tell the program to skip to the next word. Continue to review all of the suggested changes until a message appears indicating that there are no more errors to be found. Currently, the word Ranjani is flagged as an incorrectly spelled word. An option exists for users to manually add words that may be flagged as incorrectly spelled. Click the Preferences icon, followed by the Spelling tab. The word Lombok has been added and therefore does not appear as a misspelled word. Click the plus symbol at the bottom of the custom spelling box and type in the word Ranjani. To remove a custom word, select the word and click the minus symbol. Other options include ignoring words that contain digits and ordering suggested words based on context. When the spell check tools run again, Ranjani is no longer considered misspelled.